we still have the draft of our first smartphone video. You can see it still here. And now I want to talk about hashtags. So how to use hashtags. For that, I click on my video, then click on next, of course. And here I already did that basically. And you simply have to click on this button that says hashtags, or you make this hashtag sign yourself. That's no difference. And then you type in a word. For example, I don't know, let's say dividend. And then you see different recommendations. For example, hashtag dividend with 47.3 million views, or dividendos with even more, 303 million, or dividends with an S with 118 million, and so on and so on. So pretty big hashtags with a lot of views. I would take this one, and then I would take, for example, money, that also fits this video. So simply some words that describe the video, the content, to not only help TikTok categorize the video, but also to kind of help the person that views it to click on the hashtag and also see different other videos in this category. For example, if I go back now, let's save the draft and go on the home screen here, then you can see we have here some hashtags. Here, for example, for you page, this FY means for you page, which is also a pretty, good hashtag to get on the For You page, which is this here. And then I can simply click on that. So I clicked on For You page, or I click on cars. So simply use hashtags so that TikTok knows what it is about and that people can click on it to see more videos about this topic. For You page, or FY, is of course a good idea to also get on this page. There's this saying or myth that if you simply use the hashtag For You or For You page, you have a better chance of getting a lot of reach. And that's actually the point of using hashtags. Because with hashtags, you can get reach. Why is that? This we will discuss in the next video. But simply because people can search. And if a person now searches for hashtag money or money, the keyword, then he will find maybe my video because I have this hashtag here. If I didn't use the word, this important keyword money, then he won't find me, or the person won't find me. It does not need to be in a hashtag, so with this hashtag sign, but it's also possible to find the TikTok if the word is in the description, so just here in the description itself, in this part. But still, if you are not using an important word in the text, then use it as a keyword, as a hashtag, to simply have it somewhere. Because I'm talking in this video about money, about stock market and dividend, so I should have it somewhere. I'm using a call to action in the text to get more engagement, more comments, more likes, but also important words in my hashtags to just have them and get some engagement by search results. But we will now take a look at that in the next video.